Sub-Zero. For the record.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be installing trim lights on my boy Antonio, aka TonyTalks. I think he has a 2021 Hyundai something. I'm gonna ask him later. But yeah, so I'm going to be installing those. I've never done that before, so right now I'm about to go watch a couple of videos and see how to actually do it. But so I'm gonna go check out some videos, figure out how the best way as far as going about installing it, and I'll report back to you guys. There's the whip, there's Kevin, Antonio. So we got the lights here, LED. I don't know where it's from, but I'm sure they all look the same for the most part. So it looks like, check it out. We have the power and the colors, I'm assuming. And then I think the light's gonna go through here, but it goes in this casing in the car so the light can shine through it. Really just figuring out which one goes to the front, which one goes to the back.
That's what I'm saying. How am I supposed to hide all of those damn wires?
Right. Put this shit under your damn, under the mats or something. Alright, so obviously this is longer than these three. So I'm going to assume the longer ones go up front and the short ones go towards the back. Well, I think you could either put it here or under here possibly, but I'm not too certain.
I feel like under that silver thing would look nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you saying like underneath this silver right here?
So yeah, you can go under here and then maybe come up here, or you can go under here and then come this way too.
A part of me feels like going up with it.
Yeah, only to go with like the silver too.
Yeah,
so I think that would be a good touch. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, we could do that.
Okay. And you said what year is this?
This is a 2020. This is 2021. Yeah. 2020.
Hyundai, what is it, Sonata or?
Sonata.
Sonata.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty tricked out. Look at that. Digital dash, I ain't even got that. So now I guess we're gonna put it in here and hope for the best. So what I'm doing here is, I think we've decided on taking the tube and putting it through the casing. So once that's in here, then we're just gonna push it into place rather than trying to push it down here, have it curve with this or without it. So I think just placing it in place would be a whole lot easier.
It's crazy though, they didn't think to put instructions or like anywhere where you can, like they didn't
Look
put like,
it up,
yeah,
like a QR code or something. So it came with this tool that I'm using to essentially push that or split the trim so I can squeeze.
I don't know, like I don't know.
just to squeeze like the molding through.
It could be like a tube wiring or something.
The holder for the lights.
There you go. Is it kind of going in pretty smoothly a little bit?
A little bit, yeah. I will say like I think it's gonna be harder to do up here. So I'm trying to see
if it'll go
like, would
smoother.
You be okay if it's like this?
I think it'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah. You have to start working to take a lunch break.
So as you can see, what we decided to do was mount the lights behind the door, and we're not. I hate YouTube sometimes. So what we decided to do was mount the lights behind the seat, and I think this would be easier compared to doing it on the door, only because you're gonna have like the light, I don't even know what to call this, is gonna be somehow coming from the door to inside the car. So I don't think that would look that cool. Another option would probably be run it along like the side of the door. All right, so what we decided to do was it came with 3, 4, 5 of the attachments to attach to the lights. So what we decided to do was run 2 of them in the glove box. So the outlet's here, we ran it from this way, ran around the side of the driver towards the back. We had 2 short ones, and we did it for the back of this seat and then the back of this seat. So those 2 short wires, they go back here. The long 2, they continue going back to the front, and they go along the inside of like the panel, so you can't even see the wires. So go all the way to the front of the car, and then run it under, into the glove box. So the excess wires are in there, and then we ran the lights from in here, ran it here, and then on the other side, went around top, and then did right under here. So hopefully that's a semi-decent explanation as to how we did this. I'm not gonna lie, it was a pain in the ass. But now that we're done, it looks clean, and I think all the wires are tucked decently well as you could do, because some of the pieces just won't separate as well. But yeah, I will say I think we did a decent job. So let me know if you guys have any more questions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah.